Okay, so I came back home and I got mail from DHL. DHL. I remember when I was in import-export company, and we use DHL quite often, mostly. Is that international? I forgot which company we use, but oh, ooh. So, 箱 is a box. It's a box. So I think this company is translated directly from its name. And I got sponsorship by them. And it took quite some time to ship it here. And at first I was thinking, I do not eat snacks very much. Why do I sponsor them? Why do I need them? And then they show us a picture. Oh my, that totally changed myself. So this is it, the box. Thank you. Since my early days living in Japan, this is someone. Seasons of Japan. Oh, that's quite interesting. They have this snack box, and according to the months, each month you get one, or maybe according to season, but mostly according to the months, and have some color coding and things. And I think each one is $47. Yeah, I saw the picture of this family, and then I thought, that's real people. And you get a subscription, and they will send you each month. So Hokkaido 北海道, I think it's 北海道, Hokkaido red bean donut. Wow. Yuzu snack. Yuzu 有机玄米茶. This is a 金麦茶. It's green tea with roasted rice, so it's like eating a rice soup. Yeah, that's quite interesting. Oh, this is some little puffy stuff. Ooh. And this one is white strawberry. Wow. It's quite interesting, huh? Oh, this is the 黑胡麻 black sesame cake. Oh, this is a cookie. Wow, they make it so so well protected. Oh. So here is my call for action. Sign up. It will help the people who make it, and it will help your stomach, and it will help me, as they say. Pear, fromage, biscuit. Oh là là. Setuchi sudachi. Okay, so these are directly from Japan. I can see from step by step coming from Japan. And let me see. This is the boss. This is the boss. Okay. Meet our makers. These are the makers. Discover your snack. Oh, that's from here. Hokkaido 北海道 Hokkaido. Oh, 北海道 season of Japan. So you sign up, and that's it. And you get every month they will send it to you. Thank you very, very, very much. Now we will have our tea time, one at a time. Okay? Bye bye for oh. Oh, you get member exclusive discount on all order from Box Market. Anyway, that is it. Shall we try which one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I will eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay?